From K Sales, tell me about how it's going so far.
It's very warm at the moment. We're looking forward to actually getting some racing in tomorrow, but at the moment it's got to be 30 degrees in here, and we're trying to get all of our last stuff sorted and together. And 2 days of good racing ahead.
Tell me about your race tactics for tomorrow.
Oh, we're gonna have so much fun and eat a lot of snacks.
Yeah, we can't give too much strategy away, but
Yeah, we got a
you better watch out for us.
Yeah.
So.
It's going to be a good time. We're excited to be here.
Is it your first time in England?
Second.
My first.
It's my first.
You have fun. And what do you think of Oxford so far?
It's a beautiful place.
And what are your tactics for the race?
I suppose we shouldn't say it right now. We have no idea because we haven't raced very much about the Firefly that boat.
It's the first time we sail Firefly.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Are you going to have fun?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Welcome to Oxford, chaps.
这是俱乐部负责人
OK
Colin 来。
So what have you got planned for the day then, Rachel?
We are doing baps, juice, hot drinks for breakfast, lunch, and then we're doing a nice big barbecue this evening.
How many for?
260?
No pressure then.
Nothing too big. Nothing too big.
Super, have a great day.
I know, stop smiling.